Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I already have a wig cap on, so let's install a wig. Just finished cutting the parts that were hanging, so now we're just gonna go ahead with I'm using this ghost bond glue, but I actually have this one, so this one is for the camera because it still has stickers and everything, so I'm using this one. Right, and usually I just use this metal part. Never mind this, right? Because remember, you're still gonna put on your wig and the lace, and we're gonna have your edges go in twice. So for it to stick, it depends on how long you want the wig on, right? So yeah, we're gonna go in with our glue again. A very generous amount. Doesn't help if you're scared of putting on the glue, but you want it to be laid. The next step, I've always used my foundation shade just to tint. I think it's called tinting, and I don't have a tinting spray, so I just use what I have. So I use my foundation, so I just put it on my hand like this, and I go ahead and so usually what you do is wash it after wearing it. I've worn it more than 2 times, so I've washed it, and then I've managed to get the glue out with the micellar water. Make sure that I hold it down with these pins on the wig head, and I just comb them backwards so that when I put the wig on, it's not messy and it's just a clean job. So basically what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna unpin it from the wig head quickly. Also, if you pin down your wig, just pin it down at the back as well, because what I figured is that when I comb mine, it used to move a lot. Just head dried it, so you can just tell. I haven't straightened it, I just head dried it. So let's just try putting it on before I put the glue on. So we're gonna go in again for the last layer, because I really want mine to last, guys, and this is already dry. I'm not gonna let it dry completely. As soon as it's transparent, I'm just gonna put it on. It's becoming clearer, so you can just put it down. You have a silk stocking, right? And usually it tears. Don't throw it away next time. Use it. Cut the leg, one of the legs, and you're gonna use this to melt. Works like magic. I used to use this a lot, the lace melting belt, which is actually originally created to melt wigs for the wig, but it never worked quite well for me, so I started using this and I'm happy. So you're gonna tie it a bit tight, and this is gonna come with a headache, but it's beauty, baby. Beauty is stressful. Am I right? Let's do that again. I usually take like few seconds because I have to check again and then melt it again.
5 o'clock midnight.
One thing I did not do that I was supposed to do is show you guys the time. I put on this stocking on. Alright.
Eventually,
We're going to cut the lace.
Is anybody going with me? If I go tonight, I die for what I change. I just pray they don't forget my name. These are game rules, I can't lose. When it's all said and done, will I still be cool? Spent like 10,000, 20,000. Gave it all for fantasy. Is anybody?
Very funny trick, but it's my trick, right? So I normally just take a tiny bit of my foundation and mix it the olive oil mousse, and I just mix it like that, and then I put it here almost everywhere. And this is just something that came out of my head one day, and I'm like, what if tint spray is a mixture of mousse ing. So, and then I thought to myself, well, Zanile, you don't have it. I mean, you have to make a plan. So, where's my fan? There it is. So we're just gonna let it dry. I'm just gonna tie my hair. By the way, the time now, 12 o'clock. So I'm thinking maybe I should I might as well just go and sleep, right? And not start my hair. At least I have installed the wig. So let me just go and sleep.
6 hours later.
Hi guys. So yes, I did not end up styling my hair. I mean, I'm getting lelisham. Okay, the time now is 8:45, 8:46 now. I'm gonna wake up. I'm so sleepy. I slept at 2 a.m. because, like I said, insomnia. But yeah, sure as fucking, let's get this day started.
It's about time I'm waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So I could go for you.
Hours later.
Hey guys, so this is the part where I realized I need to invest in a tripod stand. But anyways, I wanted to do a fit check. Also, epic fail, but I'm working on it. On my way to see my family, Otembisa. I usually go there a lot. I know I'm umming a lot. It's because I'm in a rush. It's late. And my mom actually called and said, Yazin, Nuna says. So I'm trying to make sure that I get there before it gets dark. See you later. Because when you think the lace is late, and then you look in the mirror and you realize, no, doll. No, doll. But you're lying to yourself. Nothing is late. And you can't but anyways, I gotta go. So if it starts hurting, I'm gonna take it out. It's as simple as that. If it hurts, we take it out, right? Okay. We gotta go. Got to go. Yes, we have to go.
A few inches later.
Hey guys, these are my cousins. They're actually not my cousins, they're my nieces. And we finally made it. Hey, like we finally made it. Thank you so much to the 50+ subscribers. I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Nah?
Go on with it.